things are not good in the jet ski industry. And dealers are like, no, man, we're selling every ski we got. I'm like, yeah. And you're getting 30%, 40%, 50% of the skis that you wanted. All right. And people are banging on their front doors going, where the hell is my Wave Runner? Where the hell is my jet ski? Where the hell is this? Sea-Doo is saying that in many cases, people will not be getting delivery of their skis until August. And that's Northern Hemisphere, not Southern Hemisphere. Northern Hemisphere. Well, that's damn near end of summer. Kids are going back to school. So that really messes up a lot of people's timelines. Especially because they're like, I put money down in September or whenever. And Sea-Doo's like, we're doing our damnedest. But like Switch rollouts. The Switch rollout has not gone well. All right? Because they're waiting on parts. They're waiting on dashboards. They're waiting on ECUs. They're waiting on NOx sensors, O2 sensors, the catalytic converter. They are waiting on, there is a list of stuff they're waiting on. All right. Yamaha, same story. They're waiting on parts. Kawasaki is just pushing out what they can. All right. But Kawasaki and Yamaha will not push out incomplete skis or incomplete units. So they're like, we've got a waiting room. We've got a warehouse in the back. Everything's sitting on wood pallets. Waiting for parts. And it's really agonizing. It's really crushing a lot of these dudes. And that's hurting dealers. That's hurting it's hurting dealers. It's hurting relationships with customers, with dealers. And then when they do get parts, they really scramble to get the skis out, and then things get sloppy. And then they have to make corrections, and they have to make recalls, and they have to have superseding part numbers and all this kind of stuff that goes into all the effort of making a decent product or a quality product that the customer can be happy with. And at the exact same time, and I did a video on this, is that the OEs are contacting dealers and they go, we got a problem. The price of this unit is up $1,800 or $1,100 or $3,000. And we can't eat that. So the dealer's got to figure out a creative way of eating some of that and then passing the rest on to the customer. Dealership goes, hey, listen, out the door with all the add-ons, this thing's $20,000. And they go, this was a $14,000 ski. And they go, well, yeah, it's $20,000 now. And I got really bad news for you. They go, hey, listen, you got really decent credit, but interest rate right now is at 17% or 18% because that's all we can get from the bank. And you're like, whoa, what? All right. So interest rates are through the roof. Loaning money is through the roof. It's not easy. And very few people can walk in with a stack of cash and go, cash up front. Product is coming out very slowly. And the slow rollout of product is actually starting to chase people away. People are going, you know what, man? I don't want to waste my June and July waiting for a new ski. I'm going to stick with the one I got. Or I'm going to find a used one on Facebook Marketplace or on Craigslist. Or the dealership I got has got some trade-ins that are in decent condition. And I'm going to go see what the trade-ins are. And they're going to go into those. And that has been it's been a win. It's been a blessing to the dealers. It's taken a little bit of pressure off of the OEs, which they're thankful for. But no one is getting exactly what they wanted. And I think that is what is going to leave a big dent in the industry.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.